Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the best car upholstery cleaner machines on the market. The Shark StainStriker Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. If you're looking to keep your vehicle's interior spotless, this might just be the perfect solution for you. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and why it stands out from the competition. First off, let's talk about what makes the Shark StainStriker so special. It's designed not just for carpets and upholstery at home, but specifically tailored for cars, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're dealing with pet stains, spilled coffee, or just general dirt buildup, this machine promises to tackle them all with ease. One of the standout features here is its dual-activated stain eliminator. Unlike traditional cleaners, the StainStriker mixes its solutions on demand, delivering a potent oxy-powered punch that effectively lifts and eliminates tough stains and odors. This means you get powerful cleaning right where you need it, without any pre-mixing hassle. Another key benefit is its powerful suction capabilities. It pulls out embedded dirt and liquids from deep within carpets and upholstery, ensuring a thorough clean that leaves surfaces looking refreshed and new. Whether it's your car's seats, floor mats, or even tricky spots like between seats, this machine gets the job done. Now, let's talk about practicality. Weighing under 9 pounds and featuring a compact design, the StainStriker is easy to maneuver and store. It's designed with convenience in mind, allowing you to clean effectively without feeling weighed down by bulky equipment. If you're a pet owner like me, you'll appreciate its effectiveness against pet stains and odors. It's specially formulated to handle pet urine and other tough messes that can accumulate in your vehicle over time. Plus, it's not just for cars. Use it on carpets, area rugs, and even upholstery at home for a complete cleaning solution. Now, let's see the StainStriker in action. I'll demonstrate how easy it is to set up and use. After testing it out, I can confidently say that the Shark StainStriker lives up to its promises. It's intuitive to use, delivers powerful cleaning results, and is versatile enough to handle various cleaning tasks around your home and especially in your car. While there are other car upholstery cleaners out there, what sets the Shark StainStriker apart is its unique dual-activated cleaning system, ensuring that stains and odors are tackled effectively right on contact. It's a step above traditional cleaners in terms of both performance and convenience. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and efficient car upholstery cleaner that doesn't compromise on performance, the Shark StainStriker Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is definitely worth considering. Its combination of power, ease of use, and versatility make it a standout choice for keeping your vehicle looking and smelling fresh. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed product reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.